Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to create clip art using pen tool in Photoshop. First of all, choose the photo you like, then click on the pen tool and start creating slowly the line. The line you can create using Command, and on Windows it's Contour. Then you can slightly click on the dots, and thus you will have the option to correct the dots where they are, their location. Here on this picture I will not take care of the baby hairs I have around the face because it's very complicated to work with them, so I will just ignore them and make a selection, the major selection of the hair around. So I will go with the shape of the face. And after that I will connect the two dots, the beginning one and the end one, and make the selection. So I click it, make the selection, and after I will copy the picture, create a new document, and in a new document I will paste the picture, make it smaller so it fits the screen, and start making again the selection. And with this part we start making the small details that picture consists of, that picture has to be, and we're starting making these details. So we again make the selection right now, the last steps, and again making it. Yes, and after that we click on making the color, the solid color. I choose black for the hair, as those hairs are here. It's not very visible on the picture, but without the picture you see that we already created the first element of our illustration. And after that I create the selection of hair that we have around the face. I like those details, they look very nice when you add something here. I think maybe like the earphones, or also might be the glasses, the earrings, the necklaces. Those elements always look nice on those minimalistic pictures. So I make the selection of the second part of the hair, and now we have all of the hair around the face. And now we make the selection of the lips. Those will be my elements, like the baby hair around and also the lips. I like it to be very vivid, so very bright, not that bright, but like red bright. Now it looks very nice. It already looks very minimalistic and looks like the finished picture, but I have a bit of different idea. We'll show you to the end. And making the selection of the skin. The skin is very available here in this video because of it is like the skeleton of our picture we created. Sometimes I struggle a bit like here, but it's okay. Sometimes to understand how the line goes it takes some time, so I play with it a bit around, and yes, and creating the good line. So we are connecting to do that, and going to the eyes and then to the eyebrows. And then we have a slight problem here on the right side of the picture. There are a lot of shadows, so I would like to ignore those shadows as they go with hair. I ignore them because mostly the hair covers it all, so I'm making not very concrete lines, not following all of the shapes that I have around, but just schematically as I can. So I create a selection and choosing the color of the skin. That looks nice, but making it more real to my picture that I have. And now we have this small problem with the hairs that we have up. They are not pretty correct, so I will fix it a bit with the brush tool. It doesn't happen that it usually doesn't happen that I create it from the first time. That's why I tried more, and after that, yes, I have it. So now you see the difference, how it looks like. I like it already really a lot, but now we see that we have also a small problem there up. The hair up, it doesn't look good there. So I will take the brush tool and we'll fix it a bit. Yes, here. And I'll also rotate a bit the picture. Yes, so it fits very well. So now it's perfect. Now it's very, very good. Like it a lot. So now I will take the eraser and I will create a bit of art with it, and with the certain type of brush I will give you the link to it, and you can download it also and try it after you watch this video. On your pictures I create something like this. So now it looks very good. I like how it looks, but now we have to fix a little bit of a problem here, because the picture, the illustration, and what we have here, the real picture, doesn't match. Now it looks very good. So now the only thing that I have here in my mind is that the skin is too dark. Still good, looks very nice, but still the skin needs a bit of fixing. So I will make it a little bit brighter. We'll make it good. I click Command Shift A and correcting it this way. And now we'll add a bit of details to the picture. I also like the details like on the skin, different things that we have on the skin. They all make it so natural. I don't think we need to hide it, so I add all of them around so they are more visible. And now basically we are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and wait for the next videos. Thank you. Bye.